Hi friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to this video. In this video, we are just going to discuss about very important question. I already made this video in a vanilla JavaScript, but in this video, I'm just showing to in a reactjs. So this is very important video, and if you have an experience, definitely you will get in such kinds of question. The interviewer will give in a Pokemon API, and you have to just fetch the Pokemon list in a selector. Okay, in a drop down, you have to show the Pokemon list, and once you will change the drop down, you will select any Pokemon. The respective Pokemon details should be shown in below. Which Pokemon you have already selected, this should come from a cache. It should not call an API. So this is the question. Let's see. Like we have an two state. First is for showing the listing, and second showing the details, Pokemon detail. And here we have created a use ref for making a cache things. Like okay. So here we have a fetching method. In this method we are fetching the Pokemon list. Okay, and here is use effect. When component will be mount, then this function will be called, and the API will fetch the data and stored in a Pokemon list. Okay, this data I am showing in a drop down. Here is the selector, select drop down, select element and option, and the drop down which we are showing over here. Okay, and as we will select any Pokemon, the respective handler will call, and here we have binded the URL with the option, so we will get the URL. And here is the catch. Catch is that if data is there in the use ref, so from that data we will get and return over here, and then respective try catch, and the fetch API is calling the API respective data. Okay, and storing the data into a details state. Here we are showing the respective detail like Pokemon name, image, ability. Okay, so let's see this thing in a practically. As we are clicking or selecting any Pokemon, then we are getting data, and we are going to another. Then if we will visit the previous one, then we are getting data from the cache. So here you can see, as now we going to a new list, then this data is coming from an API. The cache API is not working. Hope you get something from this video. If you get something from this video, do like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.